Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in iOS launcher and get this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now select one of the available languages by clicking on the chosen one and click on Save. Then select Continue twice and tap on Start. Following that, you need to close an ad. Wait couple of seconds and close Launcher app. Then go into Devices settings. In them, select Apps. Click on Default Apps and Home app. To apply iOS Launcher, click on it. And then, to manage all of its options, go back to Launcher app and change wherever you wish to. If you want to, you can always switch between your layouts by going back into exactly the same settings, so apps and default apps, and just changing your default home launcher back to Pixel 1. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!